Do you want to reset your Amazon Echo Show? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Factory reset using buttons. Factory resetting your Alexa Echo Show can be a crucial step in resolving persistent issues or preparing the device for a new user. If you are experiencing ongoing technical problems such as unresponsive behavior, connectivity issues, or malfunctioning features, a factory reset can restore the device to its original state and eliminate any software glitches. Additionally, if you are planning to sell or give away your Echo Show, performing a factory reset ensures that all your personal data, settings, and preferences are completely erased, protecting your privacy and allowing the new user to set up the device as their own. Now here is how to factory reset Alexa Echo Show using the mute and volume buttons. To do that, first disconnect your Echo Show from the power source. Wait a few seconds, then plug it back in. Press and hold the mute and volume down buttons simultaneously. Continue holding them until the Amazon logo appears. Follow the on-screen prompts to reconnect to Wi-Fi and re-register your device with your Amazon account. Once reset, you can customize your device settings and preferences as needed. Method 2. Factory reset using the on-screen menu. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings menu. Go to Settings, select Device Options. Choose Reset to Factory Defaults. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset. Method 3. Factory reset using voice command. To factory reset using Alexa voice command, you can simply say Alexa factory reset. Follow the prompts on the screen to confirm and complete the reset process. Method 4. Soft reset option. If your Echo Show is unresponsive, you can try a soft reset. To do that, press and hold the mute and volume down buttons simultaneously for about 15 seconds until the Amazon logo screen appears on the screen. And there you have it, the method to reset an Amazon Echo Show device. We hope the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about which method has solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.